Keyboard interrupts with Python's multiprocessing pool. How can I handle keyboard interrupt events with Python's multiprocessing pools? Here is a simple example. When running the code above, the keyboard interrupt gets raised when I press C, but the process simply hangs at that point and I have to kill it externally. I want to be able to press C at any time and cause all of the processes to exit gracefully. This is a Python bug. When waiting for a condition in threading.condition.wait, keyboard interrupt is never sent. Repro. The keyboard interrupt exception won't be delivered until wait returns, and it never returns, so the interrupt never happens. Keyboard interrupt should almost certainly interrupt a condition wait. Note that this doesn't happen if a timeout is specified. Con.wait1 will receive the interrupt immediately. So, a workaround is to specify a timeout. To do that, replace with or similar.
From what I have recently found, the best solution is to set up the worker processes to ignore SIGINT altogether, and confine all the cleanup code to the parent process. This fixes the problem for both idle and busy worker processes, and requires no error handling code in your child processes. Explanation and full example code can be found at this URL and this URL, respectively.
For some reasons, only exceptions inherited from the base exception class are handled normally. As a workaround, you may re-raise your keyboard interrupt as an exception instance. Normally you would get the following output. So if you hit C, you will get
The voted answer does not tackle the core issue but a similar side effect. Jesse Knoller, the author of the multiprocessing library, explains how to correctly deal with Ctrl+C when using multiprocessing.pool in an old blog post.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.